Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the exact process and success metrics: time saved, error reduction, acceptable accuracy. Once done, map every data source: CSV exports, APIs, databases, note refresh cadence and schema differences. Make sure you have access credentials and compliance checks. Set a baseline measurement to compare later. Start small. Prototype one workflow with mock data so you can test changes quickly. This gives you a safe environment to iterate without disrupting production. Next, choose the automation engine: simple rules for deterministic tasks, ML for predictions, or LLMs for unstructured language work, and explain why it fits. Then construct your data pipeline. Extract from sources, transform and validate, and load into the model or endpoint. Add idempotency and retry logic. Integrate orchestration: a scheduler or queue with health checks, logging, and model/version control so you can roll back. Once running, collect metrics continuously to guide refinement. Finally, deploy incrementally with a canary or staged rollout and a tested rollback plan. This limits blast radius. Monitor key signals: input drift, model accuracy, latency, and error rates. Wire alerts to on-call and automated remediation when possible. Make sure logging, access controls, and audit trails are in place, and schedule periodic retraining and reviews. If the system misbehaves, isolate the new components, switch traffic back, and consult the runbook to restore service quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.